Every baby born in the Northern Territory will get a free hearing test under a new plan to curb deafness. Baby James is just 3 days old and he's having his ears checked. His brainwaves and reactions are monitored to see if he's hearing the sound. The Territory Government is spending $300,000 a year to roll out the program.
Because if there is hearing loss, you're going to have problems later in life. First of all, you're not going to learn to speak properly or early, and then cause learning difficulties, which can lead to difficulties in later life.
Babies can get their hearing tested at any Territory hospital.